Do you have a pile of paper sitting around your desk? I'm Marcia Ramsland, the Organizing Pro, and I'd like to show you what to do with that paper pile because I'm here in a home office of a client with a 2-drawer file, and I saw this pile of papers and I thought, surely there's got to be room in this file. Well, I opened it up and you can see in this file drawer, there's not going to be room. When there's a file that is 4 inches wide like this, there's not room to file. We need to go through here, and what you do if you happen to have one of those file drawers is to take out the files from the back, put it on a desk, and go through every paper standing because it goes faster, and then you want to be able to have the recycle bin right there and just keep getting rid of it. Well, we started, just as I said, in the back, but we started on the bottom file drawer, and that was great because it just took away all those big files. And then we used a label maker and put all the file names on the left. My client liked it on only the left side and not cascading across, so that's perfect. And then the red file folders are those that are financial, like mortgage, home, insurance, and we will take all of those and put them together at the end when we're all done filing. So you go through the file drawer, get rid of all that extra paper. The client got rid of 2 big bags of paper to recycle, and then it's time to take the pile. This may not sound professional, but it is professional. Take the whole pile and turn it upside down because the old things are in the bottom, and that way you can look at it and say, oh, that's way too old. Put it right in recycle, and then the things that you need to file, you're going to take it, open it, and put it right in the file. That way the whole pile will go away. You're going to be able to put your papers that you're copying there right in the file drawers instead of leaving them sitting on top of the printer. And soon you will have a paperless office with 2-drawer files that are organized. The average household only needs 2 drawers. For more tips, go to organizingpro.com and be sure and visit my website because on the downloads page and articles page, there's the 30-pound paper diet. You're going to love it because that'll give you the specifics, even more than this, on how to go through that paper pile. I'm Marcia Ramsland. Have a great day. Get rid of those papers and become a paperless office.